Are you tired of the same recipes? Are you looking for new and delicious ways to add fruits and vegetables in your diet? I'm Caroline.
I'm Tabby.
We are dietetic students at Virginia Tech, and we are here to help you learn how to make off your plate fruits and vegetables inspired by the Israeli cuisine. In Israel, typical diets are rich in fresh fruits and vegetables such as cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, and apples. Additionally, many Israelis follow kosher food laws, such as avoiding pork or not mixing meat with dairy in the same meal. Here we have a delicious Israeli breakfast. This dish is a cucumber and tomato salad paired with strawberries and yogurt. The salad is tossed in olive oil, a hard healthy fat. This meal is a great example of how to make off your plate fruits and vegetables.
In Israel, a whole wheat falafel wrap is a common meal choice full of fresh vegetables, including cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers. These veggies are low-cost pantry staples in Israel and the US. This is a great example of a meal with Israeli influences that follows MyPlate guidelines. Making half the plate fruits and vegetables. A few tips to include fruits in your diet are to bring non-perishable fruits like apples, bananas, and oranges with you to work for a snack. You can also use fruit to sweeten foods instead of sugar, like in oatmeal, smoothies, muffins, and pancakes. We hope that you feel more comfortable trying new and healthful recipes while making half your plate fruits and vegetables. Head over to the FMP blog to read more about these recipes. There are many ways to eat smart around the world. MyPlate dishes inspired from Israel are a tasty way to liven up your cooking and celebrate food from other cultures.
For more ways to eat smart and move more, visit our website.